Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your text sound more professional with AI Writer on your OnePlus phone or OnePlus tablet. To enable AI Writer option, you'll need to have a smart bar enabled on your OnePlus phone or tablet. The smart bar is this little bar on either side that if you slide inwards, then you'll see some different tools. If you don't have this bar enabled, go to the settings, then scroll down to accessibility and convenience and find smart sidebar. Make sure it's enabled, as well as smart functions that they are also enabled. Then you'll need to go into an app that supports AI Writer, and I don't really understand why you need to do that, because it still opens OnePlus window, which has nothing to do with the app opened. You still need to copy the text later, and it's not content aware of what's being shown on the screen, so also that doesn't really matter. But if you don't know which app to open, then you can just open Gmail. It always works in Gmail and in some other apps like probably Notes or stuff like that. Let's now open the smart sidebar and open AI Writer. Now I'm just gonna agree and continue with the screen recognition because I'm opening AI Writer for the first time on this device, and you can see you have different options: write, check, or rewrite. If you want to make your text sound more professional, you can either select write option, then describe the content of your email or any other message that you'd like to the AI to actually write for you, or what I'm gonna select is rewrite. So I'll just paste the text that I already have written and it'll rewrite it in a certain style. Let's paste it here. I'll just press and hold and paste because I already have it written, but you can also write it here. Now let's scroll down a little bit and you'll have shorten, continue writing, elaborate, or polish. So select whichever one you like. I'll select polish. Then let's select rewrite. And you can see that I think that the polish option actually made it a bit more formal. Not too often, not too much, but a bit more formal. So that's how it really went. You can regenerate it if you didn't like the generated option. You can copy it to paste it somewhere. Of course, you can rewrite it or change the tone to, for example, polite. And now it'll rewrite it in a more polite way, so I think it's just even more formal. Then you can change the tone again to more concise, and it'll make it a bit shorter. And I'm gonna copy it. Now let's create a new mail, for example. You can just press and hold and paste and send it to someone, for example. Or if it's a different type of text, because it doesn't have to be an email, it can be an essay, for example, and then you can do whatever you like with it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.